Today, we're bringing this forgotten Ferrari back to life, one careful step at a time. This Ferrari has been neglected for years, but every detail tells us where to begin the restoration.
With every tool prepared, it's finally time to begin restoring this forgotten Ferrari.
The first wash removes years of dirt and reveals the true condition hiding underneath. Now I'm carefully cleaning every part of the engine bay, removing years of dust, grease, and dirt without changing a single original component.
Every corner of the interior deserves attention, because true restoration means cleaning every original detail to perfection.
Even the hidden underside deserves perfect care, because real restoration means cleaning every single original part. Every wheel and suspension part is cleaned with precision, restoring the original Ferrari components to a factory-fresh finish. Every wheel and suspension part is cleaned with precision, restoring the original Ferrari components to a factory-fresh finish. Now every exterior detail is carefully cleaned and polished, bringing the original Ferrari paint back to its factory shine. Every engine detail is restored with patience, preserving the original Ferrari parts, while achieving a true factory-fresh finish. Every original part is carefully reassembled and inspected, bringing this Ferrari heart back together with factory-level precision. Every final inspection is complete. Now it's time to hear this Ferrari come back to life. The engine starts perfectly, every system is working smoothly, and this Ferrari is finally alive again.
With every final detail complete, this Ferrari now looks and performs. The restoration is complete, and this Ferrari is finally back on the road, exactly as it was meant to be. Every final detail is perfected, leaving the original Ferrari protected, spotless, and ready to shine for years to come.
From forgotten and neglected to showroom perfection, every original detail has been restored with care, precision, and passion. Welcome to the final reveal of this masterpiece, completely spotless and original. We take care of every invisible dust particle. This F40 is finally ready for the showroom. Every badge, every panel, and every original component now reflects the true spirit of Ferrari craftsmanship. Every original feature works flawlessly again, proving this Ferrari has truly returned to its factory-fresh condition. The final protection is complete, leaving every original surface clean, protected, and shining like a brand new Ferrari. Every original detail has been restored with precision, transforming this forgotten Ferrari into a true showroom masterpiece. From abandoned to showroom perfection, every original part has been restored with patience, precision, and passion. Thanks for joining me on this incredible restoration journey.